Hi there and welcome to another video from Faraz Maths. It's Mr. Faraz Hassan here, and in this video we are learning factorize simple expressions too. So previously on Faraz Maths we already know how to find the SCF in between numbers. So here 9 and 15, the SCF between 9 and 15 is 3. You can simply do it by prime factorization method. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now you cannot divide 3 and 5 by the single prime number, so that's why we have to stop there. Therefore 3 is the SCF in between 9 and 15. In between x square and x, you can see x square is x times x and x is only x. So in both we have x, right? So therefore HCF is x there. In between x square and x, HCF is x. In between y and y cube, y is the SCF. In between x square y and xy cube, so x square and x is the SCF, y and y cube, y is the SCF. And in between 9x square y and 15xy cube, in between 9 and 15, 3 is the SCF. In between x square and x is the SCF. In between y and y cube, y is the SCF. So you have to identify the lowest power always. In between x square and x, the lowest power is x power 1, right? So that's why HCF is x there, and in between y and y cube, the lowest power is with y because it is power 1 there and that's power 3 over there. So that's why 3xy is the HCF. Okay, coming to the next. Here we have to factorize 2x plus 4. So you already know how to factorize it. In between 2 and 4, the HCF is 2, and then we have to make the bracket. Now you have to think 2 times what will give you 2x. So it is x there. 2 times x will give you 2x, and then 2 times plus 2 will give you plus 4. So that's the answer for this given expression. And if you want to double check, you can do 2 times x, which will give you 2x, 2 times plus 2, that is plus 4. The common mistake the student do here in these type of question that they do like this, 2 bracket x plus 4. But if you double check it, 2 times x is 2x and 2 times plus 4 is plus 8, and that's not the given expression. So you must have to avoid these kind of mistake. That's the common mistake. Okay, the next one, 2x square plus 4x. So again, in between 2 and 4, the highest common factor is 2. So you have to make the bracket, but here x square and x. In between x square and x, the highest common factor is x. We always have to identify the lowest power. So where is the lowest power? This is the lowest power. X power 1 is the lowest. So that's why 2x is the SCF in between 2x square and plus 4x. And then you have to do 2x times x is 2x square, 2x times plus 2 is plus 4x. Okay, coming to the next. In this question, 5 is the HCF in between 5 and 10, and x in between the variables. So 5x times x is 5x square, 5x times plus 2 is plus 10x. You can double check it. 5x times x is 5x square, 5x times plus 2 is plus 10x. Okay, the next one. Again 10 and 5, 5 is the SCF in between x square and x is the SCF. 5x times 2x is 10x square and 5x times plus 1 is 5x. You can double check it also. 5x times 2x is 10x square and 5x times plus 1 is 5x. Okay, coming to the next. Factorize fully 35a square minus 20a. So here we have to do in between 35 and 20, 5 is the HCF. In between a square and a is the HCF. Then make the bracket. 5a times what will give you 35a square? 5a times 7a will give you 35a square. 5a times minus 4 will give you minus 20a. You can double check it also. 5a times 7a, 5 times 7 is 35, a times a is a square. 5 times minus 4 is minus 20, and then you have to write a also because there is a with 5. The next one, 35 and 20. Again, 5 is the HCF in between the numbers. Now you have to take the HCF in between variables. Identify the lowest power. In between a square and a has the lowest power. And then b and b square, b is the lowest power. So 5ab times 7a is 35a square b. And then minus 4, a is already outside, and from b square, b is outside, so you have to write b there. Now you can, to avoid the confusion, you can double check it. 5ab times 7a. So first multiply 5 with 7. 5 times 7 is 35. Then a times a is a square, and then you have to write b also because there is b. Minus there, and then 5 times minus 4 is minus 20. And there is a also, so you have to write a, and b times b is b square. Okay, coming to the next. Pause the video and try these questions by yourself. So in between 15 and 10, 5 is the HCF. In between a square and a is the HCF. In between b and b cube, b is the HCF. Then make the bracket. Now you have to think 5 times what will give you 15? 5 times 3 will give you 15. A times a will give you a square, and b is already outside. So if you do 5ab times 3a, you will get 15a square b. Then minus 2. 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. A is already outside and b is already outside, but there is power 3. So you have to write b square there. Okay, if you multiply 5 with 5ab with minus 2b square, you will get minus 10ab cube. Okay, coming to the next. Again, 5 is the HCF. In between the numbers, a square, a is the HCF, b and b cube, b is the HCF, c cube and c square. So c square is the HCF. Now you have to start from the first term. 5 times 3 is 15, and there a is already outside, so we have to write a there because it is a square. A times a is a square, b is already outside. Then c, from c cube, c square is already outside, so you have to just write c there. And minus 5 2s are 10. A is already outside. From b cube, b is outside, so it means b square is left, and c square is already outside. Now you can double check it. 5abc square times 3ac, that is 15a square bc cube, and then 5abc square times minus 2b square, that is minus 10ab cube c square. Okay, coming to the last question. Pause the video and try this question by yourself. Now we have 3 terms over there. So again, we have to do the same thing. We have to take the HCF in between the numbers. 15, 10 and 20, the HCF is 5. In between a square, a and a is the HCF. In between b, b cube and b, b is the HCF. In between c cube, c square, c is the HCF. Now you have to make the bracket. Now think in this way. 5 times what will give you 15? 5 times 3 will give you 15. A is already outside. So from a square, if a power 1 is outside, it means a power 1 will left hand side. So b is already outside and there is b power 1. So you don't have to write b there. C power 1 is already outside. So c square is left inside the bracket. Then minus 2, because 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. A power 1 is already outside, and here it is b cube. So b power 1 is already outside, so b square will left inside the bracket. From c square, c power 1 is already outside, so c power 1 left inside the bracket. Then 5 times 4 is 20, and here complete ABC is already outside, so then we have to close the bracket. Now you can double check it. If you multiply 5ABC with 3AC square, you will get 15A square BC cube. If you multiply 5ABC with minus 2B square C, you will get minus 10AB cube C square. And if you multiply 5ABC with plus 4, you will get plus 20ABC. So that's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching. We will continue from the next.